Now for this question, I leave part 1 to you. It's quite easy to do, so I will go on to explain part 2. Earlier on in the previous example, we learned how to show that a sequence is an AP by showing the difference between two consecutive terms. Any two consecutive terms is equals to a constant. So if we want to show that a sequence is not an AP, we only need to find a counterexample. So what do I mean by a counterexample? We have already found the first term, the second term, the third term, and we also observe that the fourth term of this sequence is 14. So one look at it, V4 is equal to 14. You can see that there is no fixed common difference between the four terms. So we use V4 minus V3. We show that V4 minus V3 is 10. But V3 minus V2 is equal to 4. They are not the same constant. The constant is always changing. Okay, the value of the difference is always changing. So this will give me a counter example to show that the sequence is not an AP.